Marissa, I am so unbelievably happy for you. You found the person that loves you and treats you right. Without a doubt, I know that God's plan for you was worth the wait because he brought you to Drew, a man that God handpicked for you, not only to show you that you are more than deserving of all of the love, but to bring you closer to the Lord. The more I have observed you and him, the more I see how good he is for you. I can tell by the way he looked at you that night and how he continues to show up for you. I wish you two a lifetime of happiness. Congratulations.
Oh, what a gift it is to love and be alive. Oh, what a day to go and leave it all behind. The sky is opening with possibility, and I feel my heart take flight. I feel like flying.
Drew, 2 years ago, I asked God for a sign to guide me in the right direction relationship-wise. I prayed really hard, and then you walked into that break room. Something in me said I don't need to pray about that anymore. The more we worked together, the closer we got. I felt like we were best friends, and we've known each other since we were little. God knew what he was doing when he put us in the right place at the right time. You know how to calm me down when I'm at my breaking point. You know how to make my gray skies blue. I couldn't ask for a better guy, and if I did, I would just keep getting you. You love me for me. You see past all my flaws to see perfection. I never have to worry about whether you have my back. You've proved that you will, time and time again. I love you, infinity.
My darling Marissa, when I first met you, you were wearing jeans, a t-shirt, and a funny hat, working at a kitchen. Now you walk down the aisle in a beautiful wedding dress. I don't think it took long after meeting you to know in my heart that this would all be happening one day. I was nervous about it then, but honestly, I'm not too nervous about it now. I'm confident in what we're doing. I love you, Marissa. Now and forever.
Like the sun upon my skin, like the air I'm breathing in. I know the future is golden, and I don't want to miss a thing. On a day like this.
Drew has always been there for me. He has and will remain a pillar of faith and friendship I rely on. Even in my worst moments in life, Drew has never turned away. I still remember he had told me that he was talking to this girl who was absolutely stunning like an actress in a Marvel movie. It was very apparent to me that Drew loved Marissa from the beginning, and it's amazing to be here now on the day of their wedding. I am so happy for the two of you. Congratulations. I know that you will both live a virtuous life and raise a beautiful family. God bless, and cheers.
I, Drew Jeffrey Tamron,
take you, Marissa Danielle Lewis,
take you, Marissa Danielle Lewis,
for my lawful wife,
for my lawful wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
I, Marissa Danielle Lewis,
take you, Drew Jeffrey Timmery,
take you, Drew Jeffrey Timmermeyer,
for my lawful husband,
to
have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for
richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
On a day like this. The world
Marissa had told me first about this Drew character, I was a little skeptical, but the way that she would carry herself with so much confidence, her smile, and just a glow of happiness that radiated from her. You could tell in the short amount of time that she had found her one. Drew, I want to say thank you for showing her what she's worth, what happiness is with another person, and as Rihanna said, the only girl in the world.
Like the sun upon my skin.